Hello and welcome back to the channel. Last episode we have sent to the printer this part. So now let's to take a look how that came out and also see another option that I may consider. So let's switch the camera and look at the other. I'll look at the part. Okay, here we have the test I've done with the ribs section, which seems to have come out quite well. It's not really light, but seems quite strong, so that could be an option for printing. The other one is it's this one here, which gives like a wall of about 7 mil, and then we have a 4% infill there with the lightweight PLA. So it's the first time actually I properly use this one with decent settings, so it came out quite well. So this would be the top part of the B29. So I think I'm gonna go with this style of settings, having a bit of a wall thickness with the infill in it. So that will probably allow me to cut the fuselage on the top better to accommodate the servo, batteries, etc. While with this one, probably there will be need more work to attach two parts together with this little thin wall here. So that's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna convert all the works we've done into this one once more. So let's go back to the screen. Okay, as we have seen from the clips, I decided to go back to, I think, the original plan, to have a little bit of a thicker wall here with the infill. I think it was also suggested by one of my subscribers. So I think I'm gonna do that. So what we're gonna do, we need to do few modifications. So I am going to use this one, and I am going to copy and paste once and paste twice. So I'm going to bring those up, and I'm going to record this one main, which because is the one I don't really want to touch. This is the copy, and this one will be the -7 mil. So we got press and pull of -7, and then we have the fuselage to cut. So now we have this one, and we're gonna do convert it into a solid by patching and stitching. This one is done, so let's call this one fuselage, and put this one back in. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna split the body. Body to split is my fuselage, and then split into is the internal section, and I am going to extend them. Have I done the wrong way? Cancel. So let's go back here. So okay, I think I messed up this one. So okay, as they say, I think I messed up the 7. Right, okay. Now I can close that, put this one back, and do what we did. And then we stitch. Okay, now we have the fuselage, and we're using the internal to split. So split the main using the internal, and we extend in, and we cut. So we can remove that one, and this one is called fuselage. And I'm gonna put it there. What's happened if I just do remove? Okay. Probably I should do remove and not delete as I did it earlier. So and let me drag it there. A big chunk of removal here. So we just shorten up the history. And I do here. Okay, so history market is fine. So now we have this one, and I am going to go another one. Let me get this one. Erase. Put this one in, and I am going to construct a plane on -200. Expand this, get rid of that, and split body. Body to split is that one, and we're selecting that. Okay, one is done. Then I want to split the body, and we can split the body here. That is good. Then we can do a construct from here, 200, split, okay, construct, 200, split, here, and then one more time, split. Okay, right, let's see if we are on the right track. Let me take all these play off and close it. Now what I want to do, I want to combine bits. So to combine that and that, and then I want to combine this one, which is the target, and then we get this two. Okay, so now we should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is the 6. Let's do that way. Now grab those and move up there. We have a bit of tidying up. What I want to do is, so this one is the piece I showed you earlier, so I can remove that. So what we have that one, and let's see if I get from the front. Yes. So what we do, I want to use. I want to create some pins to interconnect the fuselage between them. So I'm going to create a sketch there, and I'm going to project just that. Okay, and then what I am going to do, I am going to create let me have a look. This one should be 7 mil roughly. Yeah. So if I do offset of minus 3.5, should be in the middle, and then I can do, let me check one thing. If I do a 4 mil, there, and then 4 mil there. That would be probably enough to align, but I think I want to do one down here. It would be nice to have in the middle, so let me do construction line from there to there, and I should have the middle there. We go there. Okay, So and we do another, well, there's no construction line anymore, and then we do another 4 mil. 4 mil. And I think I can finish this sketch. Now what I do, I'm just through the so what we do, we symmetric, because I want to extrude both sides, and how much there. Instead of the cut, I want to do a new body for now. We do 10 mil. That should be the 3 pin. So if I put back that one, and we do combined target bodies there, and then those 3, and we do cut, keep tools. Okay, we should have the hole there, and then what we do the same, combine, and then we use 1, 2, 3, and now don't really need to keep the tools. And we have the alignment pin to join the fuselage. The reason why I put a low below the middle is because probably I will have to cut probably the top, a section of the top of the 3 pieces of the fuselage. So those pins, they are not in the way. Eventually, when I decide where to cut it, I will probably put a couple of pins up here for alignment. Yeah. So let's do the next one. So we can do this one. So this one, this one, this one. I want to keep the structure in there because they give a strength for the wings. But I've got to be able to reduce space for battery, and I may be able to cut something there afterwards once I've got all the components. So for the time being, I'm going to create a things here, a sketch there. I'm gonna project this one, and okay. Let's have a look. That minus 3.5. can go there, and let's start with we're going to actually use this point here for 4 mil. We have a 4 mil here as well. And a couple there. Here we go. Yeah, I think I am going to put construction line. That is the middle, so I am going to put something around there. Shall we do 20 mil from the edge, and 20 mil from the edge there. Take the construction off, and we do. If we could do 8 mil here. 8 mil, and I think I can finish this sketch here. And again, what we're going to do, I am going to extrude this, 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 extrude, symmetric 10, with a new body. Okay. Then we'll do combine target body. It's that. Keep the two for now. Now I can close that. Put this one back in, and then combine target body. And now we can remove the tools, and now we have the connecting pin. Okay, so 2 goes, 3 is down the way, so we need to do this one now. Display, project. Okay. 5. And here, here we do like this, and like this, like this. Four. Four. 4. 4. Finish the sketch and use that. Extrude, symmetric, 10, your body. Okay, let's go a little bit like this, and we can combine, and then we have 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Keep 2 for now. Now I can hide that, pull the 3 back, and we do combine 1, 2, 3, and 4. That also is done. Okay, let me hide that one. Let's finish this section. Project, that's what we need. Projecting, then 5, and we do the same construction line there. And go out, out. Then we have a circle, and we do 4, 4, 4, and 4. Finish the sketch. Actually, let me see if I can edit the sketch back. To try more things. If I do that, makes probably my life easy to select. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Extrude, symmetric, 10. Oh, I did a okay, let me go back to the sketch. Extrude, 10. Number 4. Yeah, we cut. Okay, that should be that one. So if I bring the 5, yeah, we go section there. Okay, so we have the 6th. Let's do that. Project. That, and we do with a circle now. and do 4, 4, 4, 4, and I can delete that, 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 finish the sketch, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Should have done this one before. Symmetric 10, and we should have those done. That's probably why I'm here, and probably you are not bored enough. I'm gonna board you with one more. Okay, offset 0.5. Here, what I'm gonna do, gonna do only 2 from there to there. That's enough. C mil, 4 mil. Finish the sketch. Extrude -10. Done. Okay, so we have done all the splitting, we have done the connection pins. What I'm gonna do now, I am going to send this one to the printer. So I am going to save as a mesh. Okay, and fuselage 2. So I download this file, save it, and I am going to bring my Bamboo Studio into the desktop. So we're here. So we prepare. So I have these. I've got the PLA area from Bamboo Lab, and as you can see, I still got the last part I have tried, so it came okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put fuselage 2 in, and we are going to place it that way. This is the top. I think it's better to also rotate them. Oh, I didn't consider that. Oh, I'm on the wrong place. Face this side. And we rotate into that. Okay, that sound right. I think I messed up something. Right. Let me start again. Face there. Now from the top I can rotate just that, there, and finish. So that is set there. So I was saying this is the configuration from Flightory, which is a company where they sell SDR5 for drones. So I bought one because I wanted to try, and then they also supply with the settings. So this is pretty much defined, and you have a gyroid, I don't know how you pronounce this, pattern, and they recommend between 3 and 6, so I'm going to try with 4%. That's what I have printed the other section. So let's slice, see what as I said. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow then. And 122 grams, that's quite a bit. That's quite a bit. Let's have a look. If I do this 1 to 3%, because we got a big chunk for the wing. Let's have a look about change makes 10 grams an hour less. Let's give it a shot, and we print. No, we print with the PLA aerial. Oh, yeah, because I'm stupid, I need to say 4. And we print, and we got the PLA aerial, good, and we can send. Oh, okay, so it's 63 grams, you see, it's half of the weight of the PLA, so I could actually put it 4% the infill, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, that is gone. Probably you have heard the noise in the background, and I think we're gonna close the session here for today. The next one, I probably would like to try to start to put some electronics in it, like servos and things like that, and see where we get to. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.